This is Sung, and I'm the Principal and Director of Sky Academy. And in this episode, what I want to do is look at how we can factorize quadratic trinomials. Okay, now you're thinking, that's a big word. What is a quadratic trinomial? So let's have a look at what is a quadratic trinomial. A quadratic trinomial, tri meaning 3, consists of 3 terms. ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are numbers. 3 terms where this term has, in its basic form, this term, it has a variable to the power of 2, followed by a variable to the power of 1, followed by a constant term. And that in its basic form is a trinomial. Okay? And we will kind of go through examples where some of the trinomials can be reducible to quadratics, but this pattern where it's x squared, x and a constant makes it what we call quadratic. Okay, that's what makes it quadratic. And quadratic basically means that the highest power of x is 2. Alright, so now that we know what a trinomial is, we can actually factorize that. And remember how we expanded two binomials, right? X plus a, x plus b, and we were able to turn x plus a, x plus b into x squared plus a plus b, x plus ab. Remember how we were able to do that? And see how the form is now a trinomial? Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to see how we can move from a trinomial into a binomial product. Okay? And there are 2 methods of doing this predominantly. First one is called the product sum method, and the second one is going to be called the cross method. And I'm going to look at those 2 forms specifically in the next 2 episodes that I've got. Now, if you want to have a more detailed explanation, I actually go through this again in another topic called quadratic equations, which is a whole other topic. And it kind of goes through the same thing, or the same 2 methods, but in a different kind of context. Okay? But in the meantime, these 2 methods are going to be used for basic algebra. Okay? For this particular topic. Alright? And when we get to quadratics, there'll be 2 other methods that we'll be using. You don't need to know those other 2 methods for basic algebra. So the two methods that we're going to be using are called the product sum and the cross method. So in the next episode, I'll be going through that. There's one more thing that I want to mention, and that is where you've got a trinomial where the highest power has a number in front of it, or a coefficient of 1, that's what we call a monic quadratic trinomial, a monic trinomial. So if you've got, for example, x squared plus 7x plus 12, that's actually called a monic. And if you've got 2x squared plus 7x plus 12, any number other than 1 out the front of the highest power, that's what we call a non-monic. And so when I look at the product sum method and the cross method, I'll be doing those 2 examples both with the monic form and the non-monic form of quadratic trinomials. Okay, so we'll be looking to factorize them. That was a pretty lengthy introduction, but in the next episode we'll just launch straight into it. So thank you very much for watching.